Have you ever stopped to consider the complexity behind a single kick? You might think it's as simple as lifting your leg and giving it a swing, but there's so much more to it. A kick is a beautiful blend of science and artistry. There's a certain finesse, a rhythm, a grace that's involved. It's not just about strength, it's about precision, timing, and balance. In the world of sports, a kick can make or break a game. It can send a soccer ball soaring into a net or launch a rugby ball between the uprights. And in martial arts, a kick is not just about offense, it's a strategic move, a defense mechanism, a show of skill and discipline. Whether it's in a high-stakes football match or a tense taekwondo duel, a kick carries weight. It tells a story. A kick, though seemingly simple, carries with it a world of complexity and intrigue. Now, imagine the kick moving beyond the physical realm and into the digital world. In the universe of video games, kicks take on a life of their own. They're not just moves, they're art, animated with precision and finesse, bringing an added layer of realism to the gaming experience. One might wonder, how does a kick influence gameplay? Well, a well-timed kick can disrupt an opponent's attack, create openings for a counter-strike, or even be the deciding factor in a match's outcome. Let's consider the experiences of popular streamer Addin Ross. Known for his wit and engaging streams, Addin has navigated through countless games where kicks have played pivotal roles. Whether he's dodging them in fighting games or executing them in sports simulations, Addin's encounters are testament to the impact kicks have on gameplay. In the gaming world, a kick can mean the difference between victory and defeat. But what happens when the kick enters the high-stakes world of gambling? Let's dive into the thrill of it. Picture this: a soccer game is on the line, the crowd is in anticipation, the player readies himself, the goal is in sight, and the kick is all that stands between victory and despair. This is where the kick becomes a high-stakes gamble, a moment of thrill and unpredictability. In sports betting, the kick plays a crucial role. Be it a penalty shot, a free kick, or a corner kick, each has the potential to change the game's outcome. Bettors around the globe lay their odds and place their faith in that one decisive kick. The unpredictability of where the ball will land adds a certain level of exhilaration to the mix, making the game even more engrossing. So, whether you're a casual spectator or a seasoned bettor, remember, in the world of gambling, a kick can turn the tables and change fortunes in a heartbeat. And what about when a kick becomes the deciding factor in a competition? The role of a kick in competitive sports and martial arts is truly unparalleled. It's an art, a science, and a strategy all rolled into one swift movement. It's the powerful strike in soccer that sends the ball flying into the net. It's the high roundhouse in taekwondo that lands with precision and power. It's the unexpected bicycle kick in football that leaves the crowd gasping. In these moments, the tension is palpable. The anticipation builds as the kicker takes their stance. Time seems to slow. The world holds its breath. And then, the kick, the energy, the power, the precision, it's a sight to behold. It can turn the tide of a match, bringing victory from the jaws of defeat. But it's not just about the kick. It's about the player, the skill, the practice, and the unyielding spirit. A well-executed kick can be the key to glory. But miss the mark, and it can be the sting of defeat. In competition, a kick can be the key to glory or the sting of defeat. Finally, let's delve into the world of exclusive contracts and their impact on the kick. Exclusive contracts, my friends, are a double-edged sword in the world of sports and gaming. On one side, they can bring opportunities and security for players, ensuring their skills, including the artful kick, are reserved for a particular team or platform. But on the flip side, they can also limit a player's freedom, dictating where and when they can perform their kicks. Controversies often flare up around these contracts. Remember when Addin Ross, the popular Twitch streamer, was bound by an exclusive contract? It sparked debates about whether these contracts are fair to the talents. Notable cases like these have led to a rethink in the industry about the place of exclusivity in the world of kicks. In the end, the kick is not just a physical action, but a symbol of power, strategy, and competition.